Welcome to Healthy and Delicious. I'm your host Zita, and today we are going to make caramelized Greek yogurt parfait. Something warm and cool and delicious for you. Has lots of nice fruit. Let me show you the ingredients and we'll go right on to it. Here we have 1 cup of cut pineapples, fresh pineapples. Here we have 5 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. And here I chopped 2 bananas. For sugar, I have 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar. Here I have 1/2 of a teaspoon of cinnamon and also 1/2 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here I have 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and here cayenne pepper is 1/8 of a teaspoon, which I put a line here because I'm gonna use only half. It was hard to measure 1/16, but if you like it more hot, you can use 1/8, but I'm just gonna use half of 1/8, which is 1/16. And finally, I'm using this Greek yogurt. You can use any Greek yogurt you like. This is full fat plain Greek yogurt, and I did not put any measurements because I'm going to show you how I use it. And also for oil, I'm using coconut oil, and this is 3.5 tablespoons. So let's start. Let's turn on the heat on medium, and this will start heating up the oil. While this is happening, the coconut oil is melting, I'm going to start adding my sugars. Okay, let's now add the salt, the cinnamon, that little bit of cayenne pepper. I just want to go less, but you can go as much as you like. And vanilla. So now, just go ahead and mix the sugar with the oils, with all the herbs and spices. If the oil starts to be too much boiling, you can decrease from medium, you can decrease it to low medium. Now I'm going to introduce the fruit. So let's start with the bananas. Just spread them as much as you can. And then the pineapples. So what we want to do is try to spread them so they can take as much of the pan as possible, so they're not on top of each other. We kind of like them flat, kind of like that. And let that oil start to fry. It's been about 2 minutes, and if you can see, they're not quite ready, but I'm gonna start flipping them one by one. Be gentle, but if you kind of smash it a little bit, it's okay, but try to keep them nice and healthy and solid. So you see, they look golden a little bit. So they're frying really nicely. So what's happening is they're caramelizing. All right. Now that I flipped them once, I will gently just add the walnuts. and just let that sink in with our sauce. At this point, I want to show you that because I want to get a little darker look, I'm adding another half a teaspoon of cinnamon. You don't have to do this part, but you can always add something like more sugar or more cinnamon for more flavor or the color. Now, if you can come and see here, the golden color that we have achieved on both sides, this is a good time to turn off the oven, the stovetop, sorry, and let them be just sitting here for about 7 to 10 minutes to just cool down. The moment of truth. Now, come and look and see what I'll do. So I have about a cup of the Greek yogurt here, and I have my fruit, caramelized fruit, warm but not hot, and I'll show you what I do. So I like to start with the fruit in the cup first. So get your cup, make sure you get the delicious bananas here also, pineapple a little bit more juicy. Smells so good. And then we'll get the Greek yogurt. Just put it in like a level. Try to get it like a level like that. Good. Now, more fruit and walnut. Smells so good. This is so delicious. Trust me, guys. Please make this. Please make it. It is out of this world delicious. Just make sure you cover the whole surface. Don't leave any for imagination. You miss the deliciousness. You don't want that. And then we go with the yogurt. Now make sure you use different spoons for yogurt versus the fruit, because you deserve eating something that even looks good. I just love saying that because I know it's true. Here you go. Almost done here. Looking good. Let's put a really good looking fruit here. These bananas like so good looking and ripe. Let's put some walnuts. And last but not least, we can't forget the whipped cream, anybody? Have you forget the whipped cream? No. Never forget the whipped cream. Yes. We are done with our parfait. It is delicious. It is cool and warm and sweet and has so much aroma. Please make it. It's good for you. Greek yogurt is good for us, right? Well, if you like what you see here, please subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and we will give you more and more delicious and healthy recipes weekly. And oh, I don't want to forget,